When you hear the words breast surgery, what comes to your mind? For many, it is cosmetic enhancement. But here is the truth. Not all breast surgeries are about the looks. Many are about health, comfort, and dignity, breaking the stereotype. In my practice, I often meet young women who struggle with excessively large breasts. For them, it is not about the appearance. It is about the pain and limitations. They come in with complaints like constant back, neck, or shoulder pain, deep grooves on the shoulder because of the bra straps, poor postures, and difficulty in exercising. And it is often accompanied by social awkwardness and emotional stress. These women are not looking for glamour, they are looking for relief. What functional breast surgery does? This is where functional breast surgery like breast reduction makes a difference. By reducing the breast volume and reducing it proportionately, we relieve chronic pain, improve posture, allow more freedom of movement, and restore the confidence in daily lives. So this is not about vanity, it is about comfort and health. Beyond reduction, other cases. Functional breast surgery is not just about reduction, it also includes breast reconstruction, which involves reconstruction of breast after mastectomy for cancers, correction of asymmetry by mastopexy or limited reduction when the one breast grows larger than the other, addressing developmental condition like non-development of one-sided breast using implants and fat augmentations. In all these cases, the goal is same: to restore balance, dignity, and quality of life. Busting myths. You have probably seen those viral messages which claims that gel steps can help lifting the breast or reducing their size. Let this be very clear. This does not work for medical issues. Breast sagging, oversized breast, or breast asymmetry cannot be taken care with the help of creams. All these require proper medical evaluation and, if required, surgery. Anything else is just a temporary illusion. Patient perspective. Imagine a teenager avoiding sports or a professional who is constantly facing daily back pain because of the breast size. For them, functional breast surgery is not a choice for beauty. It's a medical necessity. And every time we help such patient, it's not the physical relief which we are giving back. It's the confidence to live life fully again. Summarizing the truth. So let's change how we look at the breast surgeries. They are not just about cosmetic enhancement. They are about health, comfort, dignity, and function. If you or someone you know is struggling with such physical challenges, know that functional options are available, because every woman deserves to live pain-free, confident, and comfortable in their own bodies. I am Dr. Gauravh, and I am here to keep it real.